Since 1965, the Prince name has equaled quality metalwork. Our customers count on us for reliable service and expertise that stands out above the rest. Now, as a cutting-edge business employing local workers in facilities across Middle Georgia with state-of-the-art machinery, we want to share with you our proven process for success. Our process begins by determining mutual fit with prospective clients. Do our core values align? Are we fit for their niche needs? Can our partnership help them reach their unique goals? By asking these questions, we ensure a relationship that will last. From there, we move into our customer cycle. In this stage, we run the gauntlet of making sure we exceed client expectations, the first step of which is transparent sales scoping. Our clients are never left in the dark on pricing metrics and project scheduling. This service sets us apart and keeps our relationships lasting generations. With the sale made, we're officially launched into the customer cycle. We believe that those who fail to plan to fail. That's why our team of planners are experts at building out production plans that prepare for every possibility and set our floor team up for success before the welding mask is ever lowered. With the production plan in place, it's time to start manufacturing. Everything in this stage must be done with excellence and care. We sweat every small detail and strive for precision to the highest degree, all while inspecting for quality at every step. Anything that leaves our shop undergoes rigorous review and approval. It's why our clients trust us with their most important projects. Now, with great pride, we deliver. To us, this is the moment we've worked toward. Every project that leaves our facility is sent with the assurance of our exacting standards and the satisfaction of a job well done. We look forward to the moment our customers receive a Prince product because we're confident in the value we created and know it will positively impact their business. Although a project is complete, our work doesn't stop. We take this moment as an opportunity to stop, reflect, learn, and improve. We ask, what problems did we encounter? Were they expected? Unexpected? How did we adapt? It's this process, continuous improvement, that gives us our edge. We're not afraid to fail small and often. It's an honest part of any business. We're always learning, always improving, always growing. It's also in this process that we find ourselves activating creative destruction. By this, we mean that we're not afraid of tearing apart routine practices and applying creative, perhaps never been done before ones. We create the greatest value by welcoming change and taking calculated, data-informed risks. At Prince, every job is an opportunity to live up to a legacy of quality that has been around since 1965. Our proven process honors our legacy and is why our partners continue to honor us with their business. We're proud of our products. We're proud of our process, and we would be proud to work with you.